I'm making two versions of my Nutcracker soap today. So the first, I am going to basically pour a dark green, but I am using cashmere and cedar, which discolors dark brown. So I'm hoping it will keep some of that green tinge when it gets dark. Then I have my Nutcracker, which I have coated in the gold ultra sparkle mica from Brambleberry, which I'm going to embed in on one side. And the plan is to then stamp it with Son of a Nutcracker. Elf fans will understand the reference. This stamp doesn't work. It's just the letters are too thick. So I got to go back to the drawing board before tomorrow and figure something out. But I wanted to stamp it and then infill it with gold. We'll see. That's a problem I've got to solve this afternoon. But that's batch one. And then the second batch is just going to be an ombre of light gold to gold with an Nutcracker embed. And then these top embellishments also coated in the ultra sparkle gold. So, oh, and for the top of the elf one, I have elf hats because it's an elf reference. So anyways, that's the plan. So we'll see what happens. The ombre one I'm doing in Comfort and Joy. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, look, that fragrance is already turning really, really dark, just like I anticipated. Though you do have some of that green hue to it, so I'm really hoping that it sticks with the soap. Okay, so right now the inside is not anything special. You've got a really nice green right now, but that will darken up and get more like the top soon. So anyways, I made this stamp. Actually, I tried this one and it was too tiny, like it just wasn't working. Oops, I just dropped that. So I did this one, which has got a bigger letter, like it's just less thin. I tested it, it seems to work okay, so we'll see. And I think these will give me big enough infills that I can infill it with gold mica. So that's the plan. Fingers crossed that it all works. So I'm going to clear these off and then come back and try stamping and infilling and see what results. So yeah, just give me a few minutes, but that should stamp right there next to it and hopefully be cool and funny and cute. So I don't know if people will get this soap if they're not fans of Elf. But that's okay. I think this is probably my sister's favorite Christmas movie. And for me, it is in my top 5. Like, it's a cute movie. My sister and I went to see the Broadway version of it, which was interesting. So, needless to say, we like the movie, and I think the soap will be cute, and my sister loves the idea of the soap, so there you have it.